genre music. And so I was up in the middle of the woods of Maine. I had acoustic guitar, and I was just looking at some of his songs. And I used to play Crazy Train, with a Les Paul and a rock band. And when I read the lyrics of it, it just struck me that day that he passed away. And so I sort of rewrote an acoustic version, my own version. And the lyrics are so poignant. I just can't believe they were in that song and played as a hard rock song. But anyways, it inspired me to write this. And so here we go. Ready? Crazy, if that's how it goes. Millions of people living as foes. Now maybe it's not too late to learn how to love and forget how to hate. Mental wounds not healing. Life's a bitter shame. I'm going off the rails on this crazy train. I'm going off the rails on this crazy train.
I've listened to preachers, I've listened to fools, I've watched all the dropouts to rule and control. Media sells it, and you leave the road. Mental wounds not healing, driving me insane. I'm going off the rails on this crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I know that things are going wrong for me. You've got to listen to my words. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Heirs of a cold war, that's what we've become. Inheriting troubles, I'm mentally numb. Crazy, I just cannot bear. I'm living with something that just isn't fair. Mental wounds not healing, who's and what's to blame? I'm going off the rails on this crazy train. I'm going off the rails on this crazy train. Going off the rails on this crazy train. Going off the rails on this crazy train. Crazy train. Going off the rails on this crazy train. Going off the rails on this crazy train.
All right. Thanks for sitting with us, folks. Have a great night.
Thank you, Casey.
Thank you, Casey.
Not just the sound engineer, but just doing everything it looks like. So you're
the
also
Wizard of Levitate,
yeah.
Casey. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
All right, thanks
we'll
for coming out.